Hello friends, today we will talk about external feature of cockroach as well as head region of cockroach and mouth parts. So first we will see that external feature of cockroach. First of all we will understand that the cockroach, especially they are known as Periplaneta americana. It have two species, one is Periplaneta americana and second species is Periplaneta blata. So, blata is small in size and they have hard shell, they are blackish in color. If they turn, they can't able to come back in original positions. As well as when you talk about the Periplaneta americana, they are brown in color and they have the speciality that they can fly up to 10 meters. We will see that their body length is 34 to 53 mm long and the body is divided into three parts, that is head, thorax and abdomen. So, body is divided into three parts, that is head, thorax and abdomen, and the cockroach have two species, Periplaneta americana as Periplaneta blata. The length of the cockroach I have told, that is 34 to 53 mm long. Body is covered with the exoskeleton. So, this body is made up of chitin, the body is made up of chitin and it is covered with exoskeleton. It is brown in color, but the blata species is black in color. We will see that they have the hard plates which are called sclerites. Now, we will see the structure of a cockroach. So, here we will see they have one pair of antennae. So, that is called filiform antennae. Antennae is very sensitive, they can analyze their prey with the help of antennae even it is dark, because they have compound eye. They have a pair of compound eye which facilitate them to see in dark region also, and that is why the cockroach are nocturnal. They are nocturnal, they come out at night duration. So, they are nocturnal. This structure showing the head region, and below to the head region we will see the pronatum region is found. This region is known as pronatum, and this wing, the first wing is known as, which is associated with first segment. Actually, the body of cockroach is divided into 10 important segments. So, in first segment we will see the wing which is known as tegmenia. So, first wing is known as tegmenia, and here we will see this first block or the segment is known as mesothorax and the second segment is known as metathorax. So, first segment is called as mesothorax and second segment is known as metathorax. Now, the second wing which is found here, it is known as hind wing. This wing is known as hind wing. They are prominent and they facilitate the animal to fly up to some distance. Cockroach have three pair appendages. The first appendages is known as prothoracic leg. The first leg is known as prothoracic leg and the second one is known as mesothoracic leg and the third one is known as metathoracic leg. So, we can see that they have three pair appendages which is showing in this side, right side. The first leg is known as prothoracic, second is known as mesothoracic, as well as last leg is known as metathoracic leg. Same it is found at left sides also. This is the last part which is showing a abdomen, and they have at the last posterior end they have anal cerci. So, at the last posterior end they have anal cerci. This is the external feature of cockroach, where we have seen that body is divided into three parts: head, thorax and abdomen. They have 10 segments which is made by chitin, sclerite, as well as we can see that head region have one pair antennae which is filiform antennae, compound eye, head region, as well as this first region as I told you protonatum, and first wing is known as tegmenia. Then the first segment is known as mesothorax and this is metathorax. Hind wing which is prominent, which facilitate the animal to fly. Abdomen region, anal cerci, the legs which is prothoracic leg, mesothoracic leg and metathoracic legs. So, now we will understand the head region of cockroach. So, this is the head region of cockroach, which is showing one pair antennae as well as they have mouth parts, mouth part which is very essential in graduation or in intermediate only. At the point of NEET also it is important to understand the name of mouth part. So, in head region there is a mouth part located at the posterior end. At the anterior end one pair antennae is found. Compound eye is located at the dorsal surface at the anterior end, and this is the maxilla region which is shown in the head region. Now, the mouth part, which is very essential, we will see in cockroach. Now, the mouth part, as we can see here, we have 7 important mouth parts which is essential to demonstrate when we are doing a practical of Periplaneta americana. We will see that the first, this structure which is elongated and it is showing, this structure is known as labrum. Labrum is the also known as upper lip of cockroach. So, in mouth part it is affixed at the upper side, this is called labrum, which is the upper lip. Then at the side we will see there is a mandible, we have one pair of mandible which is present. So, mandible has a special grinding region. So, upper side we will see small hook like structure which is called as grinding region, and long tubular chitin region which is used to cut the prey or organic matter which is eaten with the help of animal is known as incisioning region. These are the incisioning region, and the upper regions both the side, that is called grinding region. And these are mandible, this is right mandible and this is left mandible as it is shown in diagram. Now, we will see the hypopharynx region. This is the hypopharynx region which is made by chitin, and it is prominent W shaped structure is known as hypopharynx region. Now, we will see one pair of maxilla. Maxilla, as we can see left and right maxilla, they have pointed and they have the high prominent sensor appendages by which they used to catch the prey. These are, we have one pair of maxilla which is found in cockroach, and the lower lip is known as labium. This is the structure which is more prominent, big in size, having the appendages inserted, and they are known as labium. Labium is the lower lip of a cockroach. So, we once again we will see the mouth parts of cockroach. First of all, labrum, which is the upper lip, and labium, which is the lower lip. Now, we will see the hypopharynx region which is centrally located, mandible region at the side of the hypopharynx region, mandible regions are located. They have special regions like grinding region as well as incising region, where they divide the food and then they used to put in oral groove. Now, we will see the maxilla region, they used to catch the prey, and labium I have told you that is the lower lip. So, this is all about the cockroach Periplaneta americana. Thank you.